Hey guys, this is a CLP-365W printer, and I just want to show you how to change the transfer belt unit. Same is going to apply to the all-in-one models that have the same transfer belt unit. For example, the C460W, C480W or FW, all those CLX-3305. It's going to be very similar. The only thing is there's no all-in-one like scanner setup up top. So what you're first gonna do is remove the toner cartridges, and I already went ahead and done that. So pulled each one of them out, then remove the toner waste tank. Just pulls out like that, and then we're going to remove the drum unit. And then as soon as we remove the drum unit, put it into a bag that's not clear to avoid it being exposed to light much. In my case, I'll just put it into a black bag that I have. It's pretty thick. Or you can just wrap it in a bag. I have a new trash bag. I'm just gonna pull it out. That's basically to avoid it being exposed to light. We're gonna set it aside for now. And this is our transfer belt unit. It's the one up top over here. What we first need to do is disconnect it. It disconnects right here. And you're just gonna pull down on it, like so. Now it's disconnected. Now we can close the front cover. And we're gonna go to the back of the printer. We're gonna open the back door. I'll lift this so you can see it. Now at this point, we need to open the fuser cover, just like that. And there's two tabs, white tabs. One is over here, and the other is right here. We're gonna need to pull them to the right. Like for the left one, we're gonna pull it to the right and then lower it down like that. And then for the one on the right, we're gonna pull it slightly up, then pull it to the left, and take it down also. That releases our transfer belt unit. So now we're going to open the front again, and as you can see here, we're going to just pull this like so, and out it goes. Very simple. And then to put the new one in, what you can do is just slide it down like this here. So all you're doing is just sliding it into the printer with the back side down, and then taking it up. And clamping it in there. Let's do that again. So there's railing on the right and left that you can see. Here we go. And it's in that railing. If you look at it, you'll be able to see it. It's in there. Something in the way in the back. Let me just make sure that's So when you try to insert it back, make sure those tabs in the back that we had, make sure they're still down. That's what my kind of little issue right now that was. And if everything is down, then it should be able to just slide in here like that. And just clamp up top, like so. And then we're gonna reconnect this one here. That's the only connection that we. Then again, we're taking these here and clamping it back. And make sure it goes back all the way, and it like goes back into its position. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna pick it up, and it has to be in its place. And we're gonna close back here and put everything back. The drum unit, toner cartridges, just do that together. This is our drum unit. This is our toner cartridge ink, and then each cartridge goes back in like so. And after you put all your cartridges in, close the door and you're all set. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Thank you.